Hi, good morning, Aimers from different parts of the world, whether from Asia, from Africa, from Middle East, whether you are in USA. If you are looking for this training, then this will be helpful. So a lot of people have requested for me to do this training so that they'll be knowledgeable of how to really navigate their accounts within Global, because 80% of those who have joined online and those who doesn't have an access to the training, especially those internationals who doesn't understand the Tagalog or the native language for the Filipinos, where in most of the trainings that you'll find on YouTube are in Filipino language. So if you are looking for an English training on how to navigate your AIM Global account, so this training will be for you for this video, okay? So right now, you are seeing the login page of AIM Global. So this is the DTC or the web page. If you are already registered with AIM Global, probably you already have the login that was sent to you by your sponsor. So we are on this web page. This is the login page of AIM Global. So when you have the login already with your username and password, you just need to put in here. Okay, let's say for this example, the account of my downline. I'll be using this for me also to demo or demonstrate for other downlines that I have in Papua New Guinea. Okay, so put in there the username and also the password, and then hit sign in. You'll be redirected to the dashboard. Alright, and by the way, if you are newly encoded to AIM Global, and then it's the first time that you'll open your DTC, you'll see there the company policy, and you just need to read it and tick the checkbox and click the proceed, and then you'll be brought to this page. This is the dashboard. It says here that you just needed 77 points to become gold executive from silver, because for you to become silver, you just need 10 points, and for you to become gold, you just needed 100 points. And for the highest position, called the Global Ambassador, you just needed 1,000 points. Of course, with the help of your team, you'll become a Global Ambassador, right? So this is the important reminder. Don't freak out if you'll see this, especially if you are newly new in AIM Global. You'll see this, and sometimes you'll see here if you didn't maintain for the month, you'll see there that you are not yet qualified for the next month. Unilevel and stair step. Well, if you are new, you don't have big downlines yet or many people yet who can reorder and purchase AIM Global products, you can disregard it as this thing, alright? But it's always best if you can maintain. But this is just a reminder. Don't think that you'll not receive commission from Binary and direct sponsoring. This is only for stair step and Unilevel. Even if you don't have maintenance for the month, you'll receive your Binary and the sponsoring if you have. Below here, you'll see also a map. This is very good to see because you'll see where are your downlines located, how many downlines you have, and the countries where Mr. Sati has downlines are in Ghana, Japan, South Korea, Papua New Guinea 24, Philippines 5, and United States 9. So you'll see where are those people who have joined you, alright? And in the future, you'll see more countries listed. If you are seeing those red dots on the map, those are where your downlines are located. And when you scroll down below, you'll see here also the number of accounts. The account of Mr. Sati, he is 7 accounts. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you are 3 accounts, you'll just see here 3. If you are 1, just this first account. This is the advantage of 7 accounts. If you are just 1 account and you would like to maximize the potential income, just imagine this one. He has an income to the first account, also has an income to the second, to the fourth, to the fifth, and to the seventh. So imagine if he is only 1, then that's only 985. But look at, there are some bonuses. The same effort applied, but more income to the 7 accounts or to the multiple accounts. So for the details about the multiple accounts, you may need to contact your sponsor so that he can teach you more or she can teach you more. Right? On this side as well, where you will see your points, available points for the Binary, for how many, or 5th cycle coupon, or the travels as well, how much you have earned for the Unilevel and your current earnings. So that's there. You'll see also the travel rewards. You'll see how many there. And when you scroll down below, you'll see also the network activity. Those people who are joining you, who are them, if they're already maintained for the month, you can also send a personal message to them, right? You can exit this also, this X. Okay, it will remove the map, but still you'll see those people or the number of people who have joined you from different countries on this right side of the screen. So let's proceed. We are currently in the dashboard. Let's go to the genealogy, right? You just need to click the button. So here we go to this page, and you'll see here where are your accounts and where are your downlines located. Okay, for you to see those other accounts who are under you, you just need to click. For an example, on this slot 16, I hope that you can see this. Let me zoom in. Okay, this is slot 16. If you would like to know who are those people under this slot 16, you just need to click that slot 16. But here we go. Remember, I clicked the number 16 and it will become the number 1 or the top position account. But it will not change the positioning. It is the view right now, but it doesn't change the position. Just the view, right? So imagine that above this number 1, there are connecting lines going to their uplines. We just click that, the slot, and you can do that in any other slot. For us, because the view is limited, of course we have to click them for us to view who are under those specific slots, right? That it didn't change the position, the actual position, but only the view, right? So that's under the genealogy. You will see the positions or where are those slots, and the numbers have corresponding names if there are already people who are registered under those slots, right? Let's move on from genealogy. You can click this one. The second tab is the stair step. I just clicked the stair step tab. Let me click that again. Alright, anyways, I already clicked the stair step tab, and this was the tab, or this is the window that was brought. On this example, you can inquire how much stair step you have earned from January or February or March. Depends on what month you would like to inquire. It will be brought up here. Let's proceed. Under this network menu, you can click the recruitment. It's very explanatory. Recruitment, those are the people who have joined under you. Okay, you can choose a specific month. Let's say you would like to know who are those people that have joined you starting January. I set from January 1 up to this present date. Today is July 17. Okay, and let's see who are those people who have joined Sati. Alright, that's how you'll see where those people joined you under the recruitment tab. Alright, direct sponsored. I already clicked the direct sponsored tab. The same with the recruitment. In here, you'll also see who are those people who you have invited and join in global. It's you as the sponsor. The same process if you would like to know for a specific month and year, just need to select from and to, right? And these three are self-explanatory. I already clicked the PMA monitoring. If you can see this being highlighted, PMA monitoring under network menu. You'll see here the names who have not maintained yet. You can send them a message to remind that, hey, you didn't maintain yet, so that you'll be qualified to the stair step and Unilevel for the next month. You can do that by sending a message through this tab. Network sales for this month, rank promotions. So you can see here also who are those people who have turned silver executive, who have turned gold executive, and global ambassador under your network. For this next tab is called the Unilevel tab. The same, how much you have earned for a specific month. You can also inquire. Then you'll see the position or the income there, and as well as the total or summary for this month. And it will show up there if there is commission for Unilevel. In transactions, All the things that are happening in your account are being recorded under these transactions. You can see here who are those people that you have earned Unilevel. Here it will be stated if you have the 5th cycle or the travel GC cycle or the product GC cycle, or also how much commission you have earned, how much direct referral you have earned with a specific date. Also included here the encashments. If you will encash, you will see here the gross income that you have earned and the net income that you'll be receiving, or the actual amount that you'll be receiving. It's all included, or it's all recorded under this tab. And by the way, this is a very important thing, that you can set your travel or the 5th cycle, whether you would like to receive product or the travel rewards. Every 5th cycle you'll be getting products instead of the income for the match. You'll be receiving product if that's what you want. But if you will set it as travel rewards, you'll be getting travel rewards instead of products, right? You'll find it under the transaction tab. So product GC, if you have chosen the product rewards, of course the product GC that you'll be seeing here, or the total number of product GC on this case, or in this example, Mr. Satis account, for all the user ID or all of his accounts, there are 5 gift check as a product. If you want to claim it, just need to put in here the quantity. Let's say you have 5 in total, you can put in there the 5 and put or click redeem. If you are in the countries where there's no office yet, don't click this yet unless you have communicated already with your upline or sponsor, okay? So that they can tell you what to do, because this applies to those countries where we have offices, so that they can claim the product to the nearest office. Travel, if you have chosen the travel as the 5th cycle, then you can see here. Okay, let me click. I already clicked the travel GC view. So in this case, there's nothing yet for the travel GC. It says here 0. Okay, you can transfer also when you click the transfer tab. If you have, let's say you have 100 of travel GC, you'll just need to put here the quantity and then your downline's ID and transfer. Just that, right? In my travel, for this specific tab, under the travel GC and my travel, it depends to the country. This account is for Papua New Guinea, and the company has not yet offered the travel GC using, or the travels using the gift check. Pre-orders, it's simple. Those are the products that you have ordered. Will be recorded here. This is your personal, okay, your pre-order. When you click the e-store, where you will see your product points. Let's say you are in Papua New Guinea, or whether you are in the Philippines, bought the products, then the points. Okay, be aware that every product has points. You will see it on the e-store. For this account, there's nothing that you can see right now because I already have sent it. You can see here the products that you have bought, how many, and their points as well. Even if you have points in here, but if you don't send it to the account, you should send it, okay? Take note guys, when you can see some product points here, you need to send it, because even if you have so many reorders but the points are still on this e-store, you're not sending it to your downlines or to your own account, then your position won't go up. You'll not reach the next level of the rank if you will not send it. But my advice, you better ask your upline what to do best, because even if it's your own reorder, you still can earn from Binary and Unilevel and StairStep. So you may coordinate with your sponsor so that they can teach you more how to send e-store points, so that for your positioning and also your commissions for Unilevel and StairStep. You can share this to your downlines, or you can watch it again for you to be knowledgeable more about the training or webpage. If you have questions, you can comment below and answer some of the questions that you have in mind. Right? Thank you so much, guys, and see you to the next training. Good morning.